हिमाद्रे ललाटे पदे चैव सिन्धु प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा दर्शनीयम्. After an intense 45 days of internship, we are finally able to show you all of our products. All of this is done with Jyoti ma'am's guidance. Dr. Vashne and Dr. Thakur have helped us in learning about and doing research about the one component that we have focused on, bamboo. This internship focuses on making skincare and hair care products in a natural way. We have used herbs and plants that we've harvested ourselves sometimes. Some have been brought to us, but they're all in season. You can show them. This is a bamboo mist, and we've made face serums which have hyaluronic acid, which is a humectant. It helps absorb the moisture and keep it. Although bamboo is already very moisturizing, hyaluronic acid kind of increases that effect. Most perfumes that we find commercially are aerosol based. They're spray perfumes. They're made in alcohol, perfume grade alcohol. That's drying for the skin. Also, when you spray it, some of it goes into our body and it goes to our lungs. They have recently found that that aerosol can cause cancerous activity. So we don't want to use any of that for our children. We want the best for them. And so for my 2.5-year-old, we've made Paro 3 floral. Her name is Parvati, sorry. And Paro 3 healing. Both of them again have bamboo infused oil in them. We've used bamboo leaves.
The products are made using hydrosols. So hydrosols क्या होते हैं? These are the liquids which carries the property of plant and उसके components भी उसमें होते हैं. Like you can see, this is ginger hydrosol, and we have used two methods of making hydrosol: hydro distillation method and hydro steam distillation method.
S.P. Chamoli is a world-renowned mountaineer, skier and river runner, and an acclaimed adventure sports enthusiast with many successful mountaineering, rafting and skiing expeditions worldwide to his credit. He is currently the director of Himalayan Institute, Missouri. Apart from numerous successful expeditions to his credit, Mr. Chamoli has the unique distinction of leading the joint Indo-New Zealand Himalayan Traverse and the joint Indo-Japanese Brahmaputra rafting expeditions. Having traversed the entire range from Kanchenjunga to Karakoram, Mr. Chamoli championed the cause of building awareness to protect ecology and mountain environmental balance. We have S.P. Chamoli, such a senior person, having reached his heights of all the achievements that he has done. And on the other side of the balance, we have these youngsters who are attempting to make an entry to become entrepreneurs. And to add to this is our researchers from FRI as well as Priyanka ma'am, with whom I have been connecting on flowers, etc. for the last so many years. And she has come all the way from Himachal to be with us.
We have gathered here with Dr. Jyoti Marwa's presence with such a thing, which I was completely lost in Mussoorie. I have never seen such thing earlier. And I feel myself completely ignorant. Madam, for this, you will excuse me. You know, this was my dream since childhood. Then how Himalayas can come up, how it can be done, and how the people can be, brought up to the world level. These were the systems which we wanted to think of, and then. But today, such things are being realized. It is really my thanks to you, to your system, to your father, respected father, who has established this, state and tried to express everything down to the grassroots level, to the villages.
मैं इतना खुश हूँ आज सब देख के, क्योंकि देखिए हम लोग नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट केमिस्ट हैं, तो हम लोग प्लांट केमिस्ट्री पे ही काम करते हैं और प्लांट केमिस्ट्री से कैसे वैल्यू एडेड प्रोडक्ट्स बनाए जा सकते हैं, दैट वी डू दैट। कि अगर आपको सफलता अर्जित करनी है तो पैशन डेवलप करना पड़ेगा, तो मैंने मैडम के अंदर वही पैशन देखा फॉर द लास्ट सेवरल ईयर्स, और आज मैं उस पैशन को खिलते हुए देख रहा हूँ। तो थैंक यू वेरी मच, आपको बधाई बहुत बहुत।
फ्लोरिकल्चर का मतलब dealing with the flower, the person dealing with the flowers. Netherlands is the country which is the biggest producer of flowers, and in India there are south states like Tamil Nadu, then Andhra, West Bengal. They are the major flower producing these states in India. But आपका उत्तराखंड और जो ये पहाड़ी राज्य है उत्तराखंड और हिमाचल, यहाँ पर भी काफ़ी सालों से, काफ़ी वर्षों से ये फ्लावर बिजनेस शुरू हुआ है। फार्मर्स आर वेरी मच एसोसिएटेड विद द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ फ्लावर्स, कट फ्लावर्स इन पॉली हाउसेज, इन ओपन फील्ड कंडीशंस, एंड दे आर अर्निंग देयर लाइवलीहुड्स।
आपको एक पता होगा कि बैम्बू 2017 के लास्ट में फ्री कर दिया गया है फार्मर्स के लिए, तो इसकी बहुत एक लॉबी हमने करी थी, अलग अलग ग्रुप्स के साथ मैं भी काम करता हूँ कि इसको फार्मर के लिए फ्री कर दिया जाए। दे शुड नॉट, उनको फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट उसको काटने में, उसमें नहीं रोके, दिक्कत नहीं करे। सो इसमें एमॉर्फस सिलिका होता है। एमॉर्फस 2 तरह का सिलिका है, क्रिस्टलाइन जो हम जानते हैं रेत, वो खुरदरा होगा, एमॉर्फस कैसा भी शेप ले सकता है। इसलिए आप इस प्रोडक्ट को जब लगाएंगे तब रियलाइज हुआ कि ये एकदम से स्किन को पूरा टाइट कर देता है।
At the tip of the cupid, the arrow, you will find the desert jasmine flower. So the significance of all these things in the past, this we have to bring it back to people to breathe in. And Tulsi, of course, from Indra's garden, which was a paradise. So you have Krishna bringing Parijat to the earth. We need to do a project to show what actual herbs are going into it. I think the day has been so nurturing for me also, and so much of learning being together with all of you all. A big thank you from my side also.